because you don't want to do the right thing. You love happy and way too much. You love shortcuts. You don't want to stress yourself. I want to ask you, your 9 to 5 job, is there any shortcut to your 9 to 5 job? Maybe it's still 9 to 5. Is it sometimes 9 to 10? Is it sometimes 9 to 12? No, it must be 9 to 5. So why would you want YouTube to be so easy? Like, why do you want it to be so easy for you? See, no matter how many times you watch videos about go to your YouTube studio, turn on this and turn off that, do this one and do that one. If you don't do it right, you will remain stagnant. Yes, you won't get the views, you won't get the subscribers, you won't get the watch time hours, you won't get paid, you won't get monetized. Yes, that's the word. Yesterday, I went live 8 hours. 8 hours of live streaming. If you notice, my voice kind of came down. I lost my voice. It's even brighter this morning. Yesterday night, it was not funny. It's not because I love the fact that I spent 8 hours there, but I know what I'm looking for. I have a target. I know why I'm here. But if I tell most of you that if you want to get your 4,000 watch time hours or more than that you should go live for so and so duration, you think I'm joking, you think I'm playing, you think I don't want to tell you what I actually did to get my 4,000 or more watch time hours. But that's exactly what I did, and that's exactly what I do. I post long form, I go live. These are the two places you get your watch time hours. These are the two places your watch time hours count for monetization. It does not count from shorts. No matter how many watch time hours you get on your short videos, it doesn't count to the monetization criteria. It only counts on your long form and live streaming. Post long form. If you're posting long form, post reasonable 8 minutes maximum. You need your long form videos to be long, like it's called. You need the duration because you need the watch time hours. Some of you will just create annoying long duration and you expect people to watch you to give you the watch time hours. How? There are some videos like when you're watching it, you'll be so angry. You will feel like you wish to see this creator to flog the hell out of that person. Don't you watch other creators that don't watch videos around your niche? I always say that. Watching other creators does not make you less creative. You are a human being. Most of the times you run out of content. Watch other creators. Ask a chat GPT. Solve the net. You're not meant to be lazy about creating content. But no, if you're making a video, your phone will be shaking. Lifestyle vlog or even sit down vlogs, your phone is shaking. I don't understand. Don't you edit your video before you post it? Don't you watch your videos before you post your videos? Do you know how annoying it is when you're watching videos that are not making sense? The quality, the duration that is not even making sense. Like, oh my goodness. How do you feel when you watch videos like that? Put yourself in those people's position. Try to make yours right. Like, I am not perfect, oh. My videos are not even perfect, not even my thumbnail. I'm not even good at thumbnails. I try my best. See, this thing you are seeing on my thumbnails, that's my best. And I cannot come and stress myself too much about it. But I'm trying to learn more so I'll be able to get clicks because thumbnails get clicks. Most people click on thumbnails. Like most people click on your videos because of your thumbnail, how catchy it is. But where I put in my own best and my time is my title. I try to create catchy title so you'll be able to click on it. Even if my thumbnail is not given, my title must be given. As I am like this with my subscribers, I still solve the net. I still watch other creators. And I don't just watch you to run away. Oh. Most of the times I watch, like, and comment. Yes, I don't have pride. They'll come and watch your video, run away. And I'll not come and form it's my video. I created it. I did not create it, though. I did not. I got it from a particular creator. I mean, an idea. If I want to talk about how to grow on YouTube, do you think I don't watch videos? I watch so many videos to know how to create mine. And secondly, I've always told people, stop introducing yourself. Your banner already says what you're doing. Just go straight to the point. Stop wasting people's time introducing yourself. Who are you? Hi. I'll keep saying the same thing. I'll keep saying the same thing, but people will not still listen. People will not still listen. You want to do your own. How do you expect to get views when your quality is bad? I am using Android though, Redmi 14C, but aren't you seeing the quality? I try to clean my lens anytime I want to film. I use a natural sunlight. Even if I'm using any kind of light, artificial light, I make sure I clean my lens, set my camera well, so I will not be in the position whereby my phone will be shaking up and down. If you don't have money for tripod, sorry, you can set books on a table, place your phone well. That was how I started. But nobody knew it was how I did it until I got a tripod. But if you have the money to buy all these things, buy them. Get a microphone. Do you know the reason why you need a microphone? In case the background you're filming is noisy, so you'll be able to, because the microphone will hide noises in the background. Most of the times I film without microphone. You know why? Because my microphone does not accept. Sorry, the device I'm using to film, not my phone. Anyways, if I want to use like my brother's phone, the device will not accept my microphone. That is only why you see sometimes, not most of my video. A few of my videos do not have me filming with microphone. That's the reason. But once I'm filming with my phone, I use microphone. Be it quiet environment or because there is this mechanic down there that always disturb my peace. Anytime I want to film, that is the time my village people will tell them, Choma is about to film. Wire on your engine, and I will not have option than to use my microphone to avoid that stress. You don't have to edit too much. When you're filming, just make sure you film right so that when you edit it will not stress you. Just cut out unnecessary parts. Join other videos together, everything you've made together. If you want to add write-ups, fine. If you want to add sounds, fine. And avoid copyright sound. Know where you get your sounds from. Because most of you now, you'll be thinking that, like most of you are not monetized. You'll be thinking that if you use anyhow sound, no problem. You won't get a problem with that. When you get monetized, it's going to be a problem. The owner of the song or whatever you use will claim it, and you won't get anything from it. Any money, any revenue you're making will be going to the original owner of the sound or whatever you used in that video. So avoid copyright, whatever. Please watch other creators, see how they do their videos about that has to do with your niche. Then you know how to do yours. Avoid shaking videos, avoid shaking your phone when make it steady, please, so that people will watch you. No matter the kind of niche you're doing, film properly. Like I said, I'm using Redmi 14C. I'm not using iPhone, I'm not using Samsung, but look at my phone camera. Isn't it clean enough? Because I know how to clean my lens. I know how to use natural sunlight well. I don't have views. YouTube algorithm does not love me. I am unlucky. I am this one. When you are not doing it right, do you post what your audience wants to see, or do you post what you want to see? Are you here for yourself, or are you here for your audience? I say something earlier. I don't know if it's my previous video or my live streaming. For instance, now you love to do lifestyle, right? Calm down. Just create all the niches you can create. The one you have views the more, the one you have the engagement the more. Post that one. That is the one people wants to see because that's the one that made people to visit your channel. That is the one that got you the views, the subscribers, the watch time hours, the whatsoever. Then as you're doing it later, you can now sometimes add that lifestyle you want to do. You will still get the views. Then gradually, as you're creating, of course, try to make sure you have an audience. Create a beautiful audience. It's not just about subscribers. Of course, there is a difference between subscribers and what audience. Subscribers are just people that just subscribe to your channel, maybe because they like what you do or because you told them to subscribe to your channel. Then audience are those ones that whenever you post your videos, they anticipate, they watch, they like, they comment, they share if they want to. They always anticipate on your videos. You've already made an audience. No matter how you go live, no matter where you post your videos, be it community, long form, short, and all, they're always there. That is why you see some channels, they have like 10,000 subscribers, but let's say 5,000 or 4,000 are active on that channel. Those are the person's real fans. Those are the person's super fans. Those are the person's true fans. Look at my subscribers, but I have a few audience that understand me. If only I knew, sorry, I'm sweating, the weather is very hot. If only I knew earlier, I wouldn't be telling people to subscribe to my channel. Or even if any of my family members subscribe to my channel and all of that, I would have just keep creating and then tell you, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, comment and share, which is what I'm doing now. But then I was like, I must add subscribe to my channel. I was making it look as if I was forcing them to do that when they don't want to. If someone loves what you're doing, they will subscribe without you telling them. A good product sells itself. Do you understand? So please try and do it right on this YouTube street. I bet you will get the views, the subscribers, the engagement, you'll get monetized. Let's talk about consistency. I don't know how you understand that word consistency, but to me, it means delivering quality content. It means showing up at the right time. You don't just show up anyhow. You don't just show up randomly because you want to make a post. Have schedule. Have a time you make a post. Have days you make your post so that the audience will be available to watch it. I've made a video about the best time to post on YouTube. It's right there on your YouTube studio. If you don't have the app, download it because it's a necessity. Like it's very, very important to have YouTube Studio app on your phone because that's where you check your analytics. If you go to YouTube Studio, go to analytics, click on audience, you'll see the times your audience are available. The times are days your audience are online. There are three colors showing. I mean, the same color, but that's how it's shown. One is dark, one is light, then the other one is faded. It's purple in color. The darker parts are at the time your audience are well online, like majority of them are online. The lighter color is when at least let's say a few of them are online. The faded color is when they are not online. Make use of your YouTube studio. I have days I post, I have times I post because I work with this analytics, my audience analytics. Remember, you're posting for your audience and not for yourself. So if you work with these things on YouTube, like I'm telling you, there's no way you will not get subscribers, you will not get views, you will not get likes. I will say it again. There are no shortcuts to this thing we are doing here. You have to follow the process. But if you follow the shortcut, the wrong shortcut, I bet you will get your channel in what is it called? In trouble. YouTube will wait for you to get monetized before they will strike. No, you think they're not watching you. You think you're doing the right thing. You think you're doing the right thing. Keep on misbehaving until the day they will come for you. You'll be asking yourself, what is your offense? I'm not telling you must follow my pattern to make it on this YouTube street. Moreover, there are so many tips and tricks on YouTube to help you grow your channel. These YouTubers, including me, we are not telling you this, that if you do it, it will work immediately. These are just tips and tricks. You just need to put into consideration, put them into action. If they work for you, fine. But there is no way you tell me that all these tips and tricks you're watching wouldn't work for you. They will, if only you put them into action. If A does not work for you, B will work. If B does not work, C will work. These things we are telling you from experience, not out of experience. Whatever I'm telling you here is what I do to grow my channel. If not, I will not sit down here and be telling you this is what I do to grow my channel. What's the point of getting views and deceiving people? I can't do that. Whatever I tell you here is what I do. Check all my videos. There is nothing I'm telling you that I don't do. I practicalize all of them. That is me leading by example. So whatever I'm telling you here, if you think it won't work for you, so be it. Try other tips and tricks you see. Do you understand? Then also do your own research. Try to create something on your own. Put it out there to know how it works. If it doesn't work, then try other options. Some of you are tired already. You just joined a few months ago. 1 year ago, you're already tired because you're not monetized. It took me 3 years plus to get monetized. It took some people 10 years plus, 5 years, 7 years plus to get monetized. They would have also quit now, but they didn't. They are still pushing. So why would you be in a hurry? Calm down. Just do it right. That's all I have to tell you. I'm not here to banter words with anybody. Do you understand? I'm just telling you what I know. Anyways, with that being said, we've come to the end of this video and I hope you find it useful. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, and share if you find it sharing. All right, I will see you in my next video.